24th December 2020. Day 1 of our journey starts, bags packed and super excited. We left for the airport in the afternoon. It's almost 22 degrees Celsius in Kolkata. Our flight was at around 5 pm and we would be reaching Chandigarh by 8 pm. So we are expecting Dinesh to pick us up. It's quite chilly out here in Chandigarh. So our plan is to have snacks and dinner on the way somewhere in highway while on road to Shimla. We reached Shimla quite late in the night, around 1:30 pm. We are too tired. Let's get some sleep. Rise and shine. Fresh start to the day. Our plan is to have some breakfast and then explore Shimla. It's around 8 degrees Celsius in the morning, but weather is very nice out here. First stop, Pagu Adventure Resort. Adventure rides, gorgeous views and nice places to click photos. Overall, we loved it. Next we head on to Kufri, but we skipped it because of the long queue going up. Instead, we moved on to Mall Road and Jaku Temple. We took the ropeway up to the top of Jaku Temple. Huge Hanuman statue up here, definitely worth a visit. Let's check some cinematic shots. Ended the day with a stroll around the Mall Road. Hope you liked it. We leave early tomorrow for Manali. See you soon.